Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I need to find an intro for real, y'all. Like a designated intro. I'm working on that. But welcome back to the channel. Yeah, as you can see, it's a shoe review video, like always. I just got them rolling and running and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. I got another pair coming soon after this shoe that I'm about to show y'all right now. It is a shoe I got before, but like a different colorway. I really like it. It's something different. I don't have this color shoe in my collection at all. I won't be wearing these a lot since they're so light, but I really mess with the this brand and the shoe, so I got another pair. But before we start the shoe review video for y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the post notifications bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a brand new YouTube video. Now, I'll wait. I don't know if my hair looks weird because I got this hat on, but like, I recommend thrifting, y'all. I think I'm gonna make a video about thrifting sooner or later, because people be asking me like where I get some of my clothes from, or like how do I thrift and I get overwhelmed. I don't know, but I'll probably make a video about that sooner or later. But today, I'm just here to show y'all these shoes I got. Y'all probably already guessed it, or if y'all didn't guess it, it's literally in the title. But yeah, these are some more Maison Miharas. These are more Maison Miharas. Y'all, I'm running out of space. I'm getting all these shoes. I don't know how I'm gonna bring them back and forth from school and here, like. But anyways, yeah, these are some more Maison Miharas. The Instagram is luckyday1314. I believe I do have a discount. Normally they have a paper in here for me, but this one don't have a paper in here for me today. So I'll put the discount somewhere on the screen and then put everything in the description below. So make sure, yeah, just stay tuned for the whole video. So this is how it comes in. If y'all seen my videos before, most of like designer shoes come in like a wrapping with the shoe first before you can see the shoe. So it has the Maison Mihara stuff or whatever. Then it comes in like this wrapping. In the box, it came with nothing for real. It just came with this. That's all. Other than that, it's nothing else. Okay, now let's get into the shoe. This is a cream colorway with a little burgundy and red lining. Yeah, this shoe was just tough. I've dealt with this company before. Like I said, their stuff is top tier. I got some Jordan 11 iridescent ones. Yeah, I got those before. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go watch that video. But so yeah, I don't know what to say. Like they're durable, y'all. Good quality, thick. They don't feel flimsy at all. Like compared to my other ones I have, they feel really good. These fit way better than most of my shoes do fit. This is like just a small little details. We got like the weird cartoon type looking bottom, which I really like about the shoe, because it's like other shoes be having just regular, you know, bottoms like Converse or Vans. This is different. And then, you know, the tongue just has this on the tongue. That on the tongue, that on the tongue, that on the tongue. But I don't know, it's just something about the shoe just makes everything so different. It's like a color that y'all don't see normally in shoes. I don't see this in shoes a lot. Let me back up. I only see this in like the Jordan 4, the Off-White Jordan 4s. And yeah, low-key, you know what I want, y'all want to know what I want to do? I low-key want to take out these shoelaces and put rope shoelaces in, the thick rope ones, and see how that would look. Low-key, I low-key want to do that. I might do that, or I might do that with my black ones, but yeah. Get into the shoe, y'all. Let me get the other shoe out. Other shoe looks exactly the same. In the inside, this is what it looks like on the inside. Boom. Yeah, they're exactly the same, y'all. Yeah, I recommend getting the shoe, and for money off, I believe it's $15 off if you use my code, wherever the code will be, But yeah, use my code for $15 off your order and get them now. Like, don't try to be like, oh no, I want The real deal. Da 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 da. It's 2024. Who's really carrying it? Like, who's really caring? Who? No one's coming to check. Oh, let me see your shoes. Your shoes. I don't. They all come from the same place. Don't hate me though. Don't hate me. They all come from the same place. Yeah, cop the shoe, drop the shoe, buy the shoe, get the shoe, discount it off. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all. See y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Most def. And yeah, T-Money out.